Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to set both minimum and maximum product limits for your wholesale customers in Shopify. Say you want to make sure wholesalers but to buy at least 5 but not more than 20. Then this video will help you to setting this up exactly. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this minimum and maximum product limit quantity, I'm using B2B wholesale order limit tab, which is available from the Shopify app store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and you can click on order limit section. Now click on create new role. So we have 4 options to limit our orders by products or by collection or by cart quantity, cart amount and all. Since now we are limiting our order by product, then we can go for the first option. So click on select from the product limit section and name the rule. So I'm adding minimum and maximum order limit for all the customers. And if you have any description or notes to add to describe what this rule is for or what this meant to, those details, the wordings and all you can add up here. Let's say like minimum, let's say a rule set for minimum quantity of 5 and maximum of 10 for all the customers. So I'm planning to give this deal for all the customers. From here in this customer targeting, I can select either it for all the customers or customers having some tags or those who have spent above a limit amount. So those setups you can choose from here. I'm adding this rule for all the customers. And in case of add products, on clicking this, it will list up the product plus, and from here you can select the products which you want to add this rule for. Like I'm adding only 2 products for now. If you have multiple, you can add by selecting some more. And I'm giving a minimum of 5 with a maximum of 10. So my restrictions will be based on the quantity of these 2 products with the quantity of 5 as minimum and maximum as 10. And in case of advanced settings, you can customize your messages. So the error messages will be shown in the checkout or in the cart. So these messages you can customize by adding those wordings and all from here. Otherwise, by enabling this, the default message will be populated in the checkout. So if you want to display the restriction message on the cart, you can enable it here. Otherwise, disabling this means this will be automatically showing up in the checkout page. So after adding all this, make sure that the status is active and then go for saving the changes. Now let's test this up in our online store. So this is one of the product which I haven't added any rule for. So I can buy this product without any minimum or maximum rule. Like if I'm adding even one product, I can buy this product. And if I'm adding some other products, let's say this one is having we have already set up the minimum quantity and maximum quantity rule for these products. I have already added 4 products to the cart. Now let's try to check out this. So I have added 4. So the minimum quantity rule is not met here. So this error messages will be populated here. Now let's try with 7 or 8 products. Now let's try to check out. Now you can see that that minimum restriction rule has been gone and that message is not available now. Now let's try this maximum criteria, quantity criteria here. We have set up our quantity as 10. Now let's try to check out with the 15 quantity. Now we can see that the error messages has shown as the maximum quantity is 10 for the this product. So this is how you can set both minimum and maximum product limits for your wholesale customers in your wholesale store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.